All right, today we're on a little trip, family trip to Eudora Wildlife Safari Park. We got to drive around, feed some animals, get close encounter with animals. But this place is pretty awesome. It's in the middle of nowhere, South Carolina. So if you know about it, I encourage you to check it out. I'll put a link in the description below for it, but it's not that bad priced and it's a good family time.
Well,
we are about to feed some animals.
Where you drive through, you feed the animals. They have a petting zoo area too. And this place is pretty awesome. Like,
all the animals are wild. They seem pretty well taken care of.
Oh yeah. And we saw a baby lemur that was like this big. I don't even know where the camera went.
Remember, you gotta spread it out. Don't feed them all right here.
Oh, look at those.
What do you say?
We'll keep it going. Look at you. Oh, you're just gonna keep following us, huh? Gosh, your horns are huge. Yeah, you want one. Oh gosh! He's got big old horns. Oh, well, you're still here. Get away from me!
That's the style.
Oh, I got you, buddy. You just staying with me. Come on. Well, this one's staying with me.
Okay, stop. It's up because he's gonna hit his horns on the window.
Okay, I gotta stop feeding you. I'm sorry. He said no. He said no. He said no. Ah! I'll give you one more. Okay.
Look at the horns on this thing.
Look at the horns on that guy.
Massive.
Give him food.
Just licked the door.
Well, give him something. He a big boy. He needs food.
Oh,
It's so cute. Look at this. That was awesome.
got more Highland cows.
Oh my goodness. It's so cute. It's so cute. No. Come on. Here they come. I want a big baby. Come back up, please. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, now we got some babies. Look at you. Oh, well, and then here's you. Oh, look at that. Oh. Well, hello. Big boy. Oh. Okay, one more. You got stanky breath. Oh my gosh, we all had this. Hello, Lulu. Oh my goodness. You got the big mouth. She's giving you some. Oh, back there. No, back there. Oh, she's right there. You smell like doo-doo. I like it.
He don't like it. No. You scared him. No, he don't like it. Oh my gosh, look at that one.
He got his goggles on.
See what this cow wants. Oh! I dropped it. There you go. library. Wait till you see the size of this guy.
Let's go.
Look at this thing. Yeah. Big old guy. Alright, we're driving.
Trotting along. Just trotting along.
Oh, that's hello. Oh, there we go. Oh, God, no. Let's see what that tiny thing is.
Ah. Drop it in. There you go.
No more.
Hey, big guy.
So I made it hit the thing.
That cow, the head is like.
Completely in it.
Are you grumpy?
Oh, it's going to go this way.
Hello.
Oh, no. Let me look around in here.
Oh no, here we go. Hi. Hello.
Zoe. Oh! Okay, no more.
I can't give it all away. Oh, you can't. You're in the car!
I'm just trying to head slowly.
Not this peaceful.
Zebras.
We are not allowed to feed you, I'm sorry. Yeah, but I can feed you.
Horns.
You scared me.
How long is tail?
Oh, hello.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, she got on the foot.
Hi, baby. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
And here comes another camel.
I had nothing for you. I had nothing for you. Aren't you cute?
Hey, big guy.
You're so dusty.
Yeah. You say that, right?
You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, no. I felt like... No more.
I don't think y'all can get further across the car than you are right now.